Welcome everybody. I'm here. So waiting. Hi Gopalji. Beena. Hello, how are you? Thanks for coming. Nihal, sweetheart. Okay, here I wave you. Hi, Chetna ji. Thank you so much for joining. So today our guest is a very special personality, as usual, every time it is. And she is being a TV anchor and an actress, Tollywood actress. And top of all, she has been a Big Boss 3 season contestant, a wildcard entry. So none other than Miss Shilpa Chakravarti. So I'm waiting for her. Thank you so much, Nehal, for the compliment. And so you are beautiful. Hi, Som. Thank you, everybody who's joining. I'm just waiting for ma'am to join. Okay. Yeah, she's here. Thank you, everybody joining. Hello, salam,
Hi.
namaste, and welcome to my channel, a new series of What's Your Story by Madhvi. Welcome, Shilpa ma'am. Welcome to my channel. It's a pleasure having you being here. How are you feeling today?
Yeah, I'm good, Madhavi. Thank you so much for bringing me in on your show and wishing you all the very best. All good luck for your future shows. Thank you so much for having me.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure, actually. So, you have been an anchor over television over the years, and I'm getting scared in front of you to, speak. How am I going to speak? How I'm going to manage? But all those, your fans and the people who love us are here, and they're joining slowly, slowly. And I'm just saying thank you to everybody. So I just had a small introduction, gave a small introduction about you, that you were a TV, you started with television anchor, and also you are a trained Kathak dancer.
Yeah.
Plus, you have done many films, you have done serials, and you are a wild card. You were a wild card entry for Big Boss season 3, which was, hosted by none other than a very famous actor of Tollywood, Nagarjuna ji, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so, so how are you feeling today in this lockdown period? I want to ask you.
First of all, lockdown has been very tough on all of us, Madhavi, and I'm not an exception here. It's been tough, quite tough, because we've discontinued all our mates and we
Right.
are not having a regular lifestyle, and obviously, we're not stepping out of our houses and doing all
Absolutely.
the jobs on my own. I start off my day by 6 o'clock, and then my day ends at 11 o'clock. So I'm a handful of mom, whatever you call, an actor, an anchor, whatever you told me, all these things in your intro. But abhi to you abhi part time
No,
by.
it's an immense pleasure to introduce you as a mother of two kids, two beautiful kids, and being a daughter, being a mother, being a wife, being an actress, being a television star. It's so many responsibilities. How do you do that, first of all?
Frankly, Madhavi, I don't do anything actually. I just take as it comes. I got married early when my contemporaries were like rocking and they were at peaks and doing very good. I thought I should get married, and then when everybody's jab sab aage बढ़ रहे थे, and I thought, nahi, it's time for me to have a baby. So I've taken some major life-changing decisions in my life on my own. तो
Mm-hmm.
आई डोंट मैनेज एनीथिंग, वो सब हो ही जाता है. आई मीन बोलते हैं ना, व्हेन यू आर फाइटिंग अ बैटल यू डोंट लाइक रियली इंटेंड टू फाइट इट, बस आप कर लेते
Yes.
हो. So that's what exactly I do.
Okay, so I would like to start the journey when you were a small kid. How did you start your journey? Tell us about your parents and how did they support you up till now? Are they still supporting you?
Yes, of course. Parents are the integral part of everyone's career, job, life, and my parents have been playing a major role in my life. We are actually
Okay.
based from Kolkata, but
Mm-hmm.
my parents had a transferable job, and that's how we come to Hyderabad. And then we settled down here. And बस एक कीड़ा था मम्मी का कि मेरी बेटी अच्छा डांस कर लिया. All the moms know they're very proud of their daughters. अगर
Right.
डॉटर फेल करेगी तो भी ठीक है, like मेरी बेटी the best types. So my
Mm-hmm.
mom was like, no, Shilpa can dance well and she's really a bright kid. तो वैसे मुझे
Right.
डांस शुरू कर दिया था. So after I
Mm-hmm.
came back to Hyderabad, I learned Kathak from a very popular Guruji, Sanjay Kumar Joshi ji here in Hyderabad. And that's how my Kathak dance starts. And I was dancing one day on stage, and then media log आए थे coverage करने के लिए. I was too young, I was like 15 or 16 years old when I was on stage
Mm-hmm.
dancing. तो बस उन्होंने देखा and that's how they offered me. They said आप तेलुगु टेलीविजन में काम करना चाहेंगे? तो मैंने कहा देखिए तेलुगु की ती भी नहीं आती है मेरे को, and I
Huh.
know,
Hmm.
बट
Hmm.
इंग्लिश और हिंदी अगर होगा तो आई कैन मैनेज, बट तेलुगु तो सॉरी आई कांट. So then like they just give the card and they said, ma'am, if you just feel like any day, please drop in because we are in need of anchors and actors on our channel. And that's how मम्मी ने शुरू कर दिया. चलो let's try. You should not be regretting in life later. एक try तो
Mm-hmm.
बनता है. And attempt is very important. Whether they select you or not, that's
I
okay. But
respect it.
then life में regret तो नहीं होगा that you did not try just because you didn't know Telugu. So I
Hmm.
went there to the Gemini studios. Gemini and ETV, these were the only two channels then. I'm talking about 98, 99, 2000.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
these were the only two channels up then. So I went and gave my audition in Gemini and इतना बड़ा सा एक तेलुगु का स्क्रिप्ट पकड़ा दिया हाथ में. मैंने कहा अरे भाई साहब मेरे को आती नहीं है और आप तेलुगु में लिख के दे रहे हो, हाउ एम आई सपोज टू मैनेज? सो ही इज
Oh,
लाइक मैडम आई एम गोइंग टू रीड इट टू यू, आइदर यू बाय हार्ट इट या फिर लिख लो. तो मैंने
okay.
लिखना शुरू किया हिंदी में. अपना स्क्रिप्ट हिंदी में लिखती हूँ या फिर इंग्लिश में लिखती हूँ, द तेलुगु थिंग, एंड देन आई ट्राई टू बाय हार्ट. दैट्स हाउ आई स्टार्टेड. तो
So,
टेक के ऊपर टेक के ऊपर टेक. उनको थोड़ी थोड़ी बहुत
hmm.
beautiful, थोड़ी बहुत ठीक ठीक ठाक लगी उनको, तो दे सेलेक्टेड मी. बट द लैंग्वेज वाज अ बिग बैरियर फॉर मी. सो
Hmm.
देन दे सेड अरे इसके साथ तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, शी इज टेकिंग 20 टेक्स फॉर वन लाइन. तो
Oh,
दैट वाज अ लिटिल एम्बैरेसिंग भी था, बट दैट वाज रियलिटी. सो देन आई सेड ठीक है चलो लेट्स डू समथिंग. नेक्स्ट टाइम नेक्स्ट वीक आप मुझे स्क्रिप्ट पहले दे दो and I'm
huh.
going to try and do that. So
Oh.
next week से मैं I started to do my homework and then I started to speak pretty good Telugu, and then I made a thumb rule in my life is talk in Telugu with everyone.
Okay.
So I've started, तब की बात कर रही हूँ. Then I started to talk in Telugu, speak in Telugu with every person I met.
Okay.
And बस तेलुगु बस आ गया. And then suddenly मुझे मालूम भी नहीं हुआ when. And then I was doing like 5 reality shows. I was doing 5 daily serials. I was acting. I was hosting. I was all over. तो पता ही नहीं चला कब
Hmm.
आई और कब ये पूरा हो गया. And this was definitely my mother's push. I'll give full credit to her. कि अगर मम्मी ने तब पुश नहीं किया होता तो आज शायद माधवी जी मेरा इंटरव्यू नहीं लेती होगी.
Come on, come on, come on. You are an inspiration to many. In fact, to me, whom I want to learn Telugu, and I asked you yesterday, क्या आप मुझे तेलुगु सिखाओगे? You told me कल शो पे सिखाती हूँ. मैंने सोचा कि मैंने भी एक बार ऑडिशन दिया था, बट वो जो उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट दी थी उसको मैंने मगअप करके उस वक्त तो बोल दिया. उसके बाद से I was like, you have everybody speaking Hindi now. Even the people who maids or come at home, they all speak in Hindi. So how do you learn it? How do you acquire that skill?
नहीं,
It's
back then
really,
when I went to college, I met my friends, and friends में हिंदी और इंग्लिश के सिवा तो बात नहीं करते. But then
yeah.
whenever I went to shoots or anywhere else, maybe a shopping mall, maybe to my college, or maybe to any shoots, I started to converse with them in Telugu, and they all started to laugh. कि मैडम आप गलत बोल रही हो,
हाँ.
ये ऐसे बोलना है, वैसे बोलना है. तो I said never mind, मैं सीख लूंगी. It's okay, आप लोग हंस लो. And then I just took it in my stride, एंड मैंने इतना तेलुगु बोलना शुरू किया कि अब तेलुगु ज्यादा अच्छा बोलती हूँ, एंड बंगाली तो शायद मैं थोड़ा सा भूल भी गई हूँ. तो
Okay.
दैट्स हाउ इट.
So,
आई थिंक इफ यू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग इन तेलुगु, एनीथिंग, बार बार जो भी कुछ करते हैं ना इन लाइफ में, दैट बिकम्स अ हैबिट, एंड तेलुगु हैज बिकम अ हैबिट, प्रॉब्ली अ लाइफस्टाइल नाउ, बिकॉज आई कॉन्वर्स बेटर इन तेलुगु. एंड अभी तो तेलुगु से शादी भी हो गई, और क्या चाहिए बोलो, सोने पे सुहागा.
yeah, so I want to show you something with this note. I think this is your parents, I guess.
नहीं, दिस इज माय गुरुजी,
अच्छा, ये
कथक.
गुरुजी.
या मेरे गुरुजी के गुरुजी हैं, दे आर माय महागुरुजी, दे आर फ्रॉम इंदौर,
Okay.
डॉक्टर पुरु दादी जी एंड डॉक्टर विभा दादी मैम. इनके पास से मेरे गुरुजी ने सीखी था, एंड सो वी कंटिन्यू द लेगेसी ऑफ देयर स्टाइल ऑफ डांसिंग. एंड माय स्टाइल ऑफ डांसिंग इज कथक में लखनवी घराना. तो
लखनवी
लखनवी
घराना.
मैंने अपने गुरुजी से सीखा, गुरुजी ने डॉक्टर पुरु सर से सीखा. दे आर माय गुरुज एक्चुअली.
Oh,
इनफैक्ट
okay.
गुरु से आपने शुरुआत की.
Okay. So, what was your age when you started learning Kathak, actually?
I think I was around 7 or 8 years old when I started of Kathak, and
Uh,
yeah, pretty much earlier. So I finished my diploma and everything when I was 13, 14. Oh
yeah.
wow, I can see you collected so many pics, man. Madhavi, good job. Now this
Thank.
handsome, ये जो मेरे बाजू में खड़ा है बंदा, हाँ,
हाँ.
इसी ने मुझे चीट किया, और इसी ने मुझे गंदे गंदे बातें बोले, और ऐसे लव में फंसाया, और शादी भी कर ली.
कैसे 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 चीट किया आपको, मैम? चीट कैसे? चीट कैसे किया?
चीट
How?
मतलब ऐसे, चिढ़ाते रहती हूँ कि देख, कभी भी आई एम लाइक वेरी प्राउड, एंड आई एम हाई नोज कि मैं बहुत फेयर हूँ, मैं बहुत ब्यूटीफुल हूँ, एंड आई एम फ्रॉम
Oh.
नॉर्थ, दैट. लेकिन
Oh.
वो कभी कुछ मानते ही नहीं, मतलब चाहो जितना भी सता लो, एंड वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू टीज हिम, ही नेवर माइंड्स. ही इज सच अ स्पोर्टिव गाय. सो दैट्स द
हाँ,
बेस्ट
हाँ.
पार्ट लाइक इन हिम. एंड
Mhm.
यस, वो मेरे हैं मिस्टर कल्याण.
Gee, yeah, yeah, yeah. And one more picture I want to show you with your lovely kid
Oh,
too. Sweet one.
yes, that's
Uh,
my,
s-
that's
yes,
Anika.
yeah. Actually, some because of me, you're not able to view the half of it.
The other picture.
So, yes, the other picture. But anyways, I have a presentation to show you. So we'll come
Really?
back again. Yeah, we'll come
Oh,
back again to show you.
so
Um,
sweet. Madhuri, you've done a lot of homework. बहुत मेहनत किया लग रहा है तुमने.
No,
Thanks a lot.
no, मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया है. It's just that you are so great that I had to research about you because I was like मैं एक स्टार तेलुगु स्टार के टॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस के सामने जा रही हूँ and I should do my homework well and I always do. भगवान की कृपा से I always do my homework well.
Job,
So, but
job.
thank you. There are many people who are writing you. Ramalata ji, how are you, madam? And good evening, Srinivas ji says. And I think I just had one more, yours, darling Mohan, Samant joined. And I think I checked one more. Everybody's waving you hi, hello, ma'am, you're amazing. And
Thank you,
okay,
guys. I can see many of
yeah,
my
Mr. Hari
my
Krishna Kondi says, "How are you, Shilpa Garu? I am biggest fan of you and your beautiness."
Oh God, I'm absolutely doing great, Hari Krishna Garu, and I'd like to say some names here. Hi
Sure.
Ashwini, hi Varun, and
Yeah.
yeah, hi Mahi, Deepak,
There are
hi Chet, hi Shilpaka, hi guys. Oh wow,
they
hello, hi बोलोगे और आगे भी कुछ बढ़ोगे? Come on, ask me any question.
my favorite anchor Shilpa Garu. Aviteja 143 says, "Hi, madam, lovely Madhu." So this is Ravi from Kadapa.
Hi,
You, Stevik says you are an inspiration. Oh my God! Oh my God!
इतना आगे बोलोगे तो मैं फूल के और मोटी बन जाऊंगी प्लीज यार
No, no, okay, Chaliye, let's start with journey. How did, I think you did a first television show, which was a Wow Ultimate Game Show. And
with Dance Baby Dance. So that is my first show on Gemini.
Dance Baby
Dance
Dance,
Baby Dance.
right?
Yeah. Here in Telugu, we have a very popular comedian, Mr. Ali Garu. तो आली
I
जी के
know.
साथ या आली जी के साथ मैंने स्टार्ट किया था माय फर्स्ट
Okay.
रियलिटी शो ऑन जेमिनी
Okay.
टीवी व्हिच वाज and that has given me stupendous name success so I can never say about any other show rather
Yeah.
mentioning Dance Baby that is the key show of making of Shilpa Chakravarti so Ali ji
Hmm.
के साथ start हुआ तो obviously Ali ji was a very popular and तब के तो मतलब बहुत बड़े comedian थे तो I was very nervous कि नहीं मुझे तेलुगु तो आती नहीं है and then I'll have to go and host a show with him. No way, I can't do this. So then as usual मम्मी ने एक धक्का और एक लात मारा and then I went and landed on the stage
Hmm.
and बस ये हो गया and it all started off and I must say today I speak so much of Telugu because of Mr. Ali because उन्होंने अगर चांस नहीं दिया होता मतलब
Hmm.
यूजुअली जब आप बहुत बड़े सेलिब्रिटी आपके बाजू में हो तो दे विल नेवर लेट यू टॉक
Absolutely.
लाइक एक्सपीरियंस मेरे को ज्यादा है तो मुझे बात करना है एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ लेकिन आली सर का वो एटीट्यूड था ही नहीं he was like nahi Shilpa if you want to talk please go ahead you can be yourself you don't have to really think about what I am going to think so I think he was the asset of the show and he was a very big plus for me in learning the language and that's how I got my freedom on stage और एक एक टाइम पे ऐसा था कि आली जी बोलते थे कि अरे यार कितना बात करती है यू आर ओनली टॉकिंग एंड टॉकिंग मुझे तो कभी चांस दिया कर तो that's how I started. So that was my first and very memorable and a very special show in my life.
So I would like to say namaste to Ali ji. If he doesn't know me, I'm Madhuri Suju because I don't speak Telugu. You can just speak in Telugu and narrate whatever you said. It's perfectly fine.
I think people who follow me तेलुगु में जो यहाँ पे follow करते हैं they all know majorly they know like Shilpa has come from Dance Baby Dance एक और मेरा show था Fun Day Awards
Yes.
I think all these guys are saying hello
Yes.
उनको तेलुगु में बताती हूँ అందరికి నమస్కారం నేను మీ శిల్పా చక్రవర్తి అండ్ విత్ మీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ మాధవి తో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను నేను సో ఇంకా
Oh.
జాయిన్ అవ్వ తొందరగా జాయిన్ అయిపో గోల్డెన్ విషయం
Oh.
ఓకే
Thank you so much. So want to show you one very cute thing about you. Let's start with this one.
wow that's all the nice pics wow oh man you've done so much कितना रिसर्च किया है कितने पिक्स लिए हैं टू गुड या आई थिंक दिस इज गोइंग टू बी ओ हलीम आई मिस हलीम अगेन Wow. All these are my events. Yeah, my handsome baby is again here. My kuttu is here.
Oh, that's a picture's cut.
All right.
Yeah.
For
So
that beautiful.
that was about you and you as an inspiration, being a trained Kathak dancer. You know, it's amazing.
Thank you. Thank you. It's very sweet of you, Madhavi. You've actually
Uh,
summed up all dancing, acting, because सब कुछ डाल दिया इसमें.
नहीं अभी और है अभी बहुत कुछ है. There's so much left. हाँ,
Really? Oh, I am
come
now
on,
waiting and eager.
such a great personality. कैसे एक presentation में खत्म कैसे हो सकता है? Come on, you have lots to talk. Okay, so I want to ask you, any of your memories from your childhood that you remember is very close to you, or maybe it has left a mark on your life that you can never forget, whether it is good or bad. Would you like to share some memories?
Memories of childhood. Yeah, I mean, yeah,
Or
I as
college
a kid.
life?
ओ कॉलेज लाइफ तो मैंने कुछ कॉलेज लाइफ में किया ही नहीं बिकॉज from the moment I've come into college, I was always I got into television, I got into acting, I got into anchoring, so I really didn't have a chance to do the usual stuff what the college going people do. But फिर भी बहुत कुछ किया. झूठ बोल के कॉलेज बंक मारना, झूठ बोल के फिल्म देखने जाना, एंड देन
Wow.
एंड देन रैंडमली मम्मी को एक दिन झूठ बोल के एंड देन आई थिंक आई वेंट टू वॉच अ मूवी. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर. आई थिंक some movie अपरिचितुडु. I think
Hmm.
I'm not really sure about that, but मम्मी ने पकड़ लिया and after I came back she got the ticket from my bag and she was like, what the heck, क्यों, why do you have to even lie to me, you can just tell me and go. तो मैंने कहा मम्मा you will not leave me ना if I tell you. तो तब
हाँ.
से मम्मी ज्यादा कुछ डांटा तो नहीं बट शी फेल्ट वेरी बैड दैट डे कि
Hmm.
मेरी बेटी मेरे से झूठ बोल रही है टाइप्स. उसके बाद भी मैंने बहुत झूठ तो बोले हैं. but then that had an impact on me and now to my kids I keep telling them that जो भी आया मन में मतलब गुड बैड अगली वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट प्लीज शेयर इट, प्लीज लेट मी नो, बट झूठ मत बोलना. I don't like lies at all. I like myself when I was young and I saw my parents feeling bad about it and so I tell बार बार एवरी डे दोहराती हूँ एंड आई टेल माई किड्स की नहीं लाइज नहीं बोलना है
Hmm.
आपको. whatever it is, be
Hmm.
transparent. Tell me that you did not like the sabji, tell me that you did not like the dress what I'm wearing, tell me that mama is looking ugly. सब चलेगा but सच बोलना. So that is I think one of
Hmm.
the most important thing that I teach to my little fellows. And yeah, that still has an impact on me. अभी भी कोई भी झूठ बोलता है ना तो मेरा मतलब ब्लड खोल जाता है and I'm like नहीं, I'm like my blood starts boiling when I see someone lying to me outrightly. So this is,
Hmm.
I think, one of the key things in life. And yes, I was brought up by a Muslim family when I was a kid because we had come from Kolkata here, and then Mama had got a job, and very sweet memories with them. They were my neighbors, and आंटी ने ऑफर किया था मम्मी को कि मैं देख लूंगी तुम्हारी बेटी को. You just
Hmm.
go and do your job. If she's okay with me for a month, then you can continue keeping her with me. So
Hmm.
that those days are very memorable because माँ से भी ज्यादा I used to know her because उनके पास ज्यादा रहती थी than my mother. So
Hmm.
yeah, that was one of the very big incidents of my life, very big cherishable memory in my life which I can never forget. तो अभी
Hmm.
last 2 years I've not been in touch with them. वो uncle and auntie, I think they've shifted from here. I'm not very sure what happened to them. I tried to get in touch, लेकिन still I haven't been able to get in touch. So those were my very memorable days of my childhood. And another memory which I would like to share, I think हमारे तेलुगु audience को मैं बोल चुकी हूँ, but since I'm talking to you for the first time, మేబీ తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ ఇది రిపీట్ చేస్తున్నానేమో అని అనిపించొచ్చు, కానీ నన్ను క్షమించండి, ఎందుకంటే నేను మాధవికి చెప్పాలి కాబట్టి. క్రౌడ్ కూడా దే ఫ్రమ్ బాంబే అండ్ ఢిల్లీ అండ్ నార్త్ సైడ్ కాబట్టి అందుకనే హిందీలో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, అందుకని ఇంగ్లీష్ లో చెప్తున్నాను. సో వన్ మెమరీ విచ్ ఐ రియలీ టెల్ పీపుల్ ఇస్ దాట్ दिस इज अ सीरियल, दिस इज अ डेली सीरियल का शूटिंग चल रहा है, ठीक है. तो आई एंटर्ड एज अ न्यू कमर, तेलुगु तो आती नहीं है, एंड देन दैट वाज अ वेरी अर्जेंट एपिसोड दैट डे कि उस दिन एपिसोड एडिटिंग में जाना भी था और उसका टेलीकास्ट भी होना था. So we were working so tight.
Okay.
Yeah, it was for Balaji Telefilms. We were shooting in Chennai. I was shooting in Chennai, and then suddenly कुछ डायलॉग आ नहीं रहा था, एकदम एक 10 लाइन का एक डायलॉग दे दिया एंड देसी की बोल दो, एंड देन आई वाज लाइक रुकिए, गिव मी सम टाइम सो दैट आई कैन बाय हार्ट एंड देन पुट ऑन माय एक्सप्रेशन. तो बोले कि नहीं, टाइम नहीं है, हम आपको प्रॉम्प्टिंग दे देंगे मैडम, आप प्रॉम्प्टिंग पकड़ लेना और बोल देना. तो बस आई थिंक समथिंग वेंट रॉन्ग और नहीं हो रहा था, द टेक वाज जस्ट नॉट हैपनिंग. एक 4-5 टेक के बाद देन सम गाय फ्रॉम द डायरेक्शन डिपार्टमेंट केम एंड सेड कि we had about 50-60 people in the shoot, obviously spot boy se leke makeup man se leke production boys तक, there were about 50-60 people around, and then this guy from the direction department started to shout कि अरे ऐसे लोगों को क्यों लेके आते हो जिनको लैंग्वेज तक नहीं आता, तेलुगु वाले कम पढ़े थे क्या, तेलुगु वाले बहुत हैं, ये बंगाली लड़की को क्यों लाके सिर पे रख दिया है, don't we have any other option, why do we have to take this girl's nonsense. तो मुझे इतना बुरा लगा, I felt so insulted, I felt so embarrassed before people कि मैं रोते हुए मतलब I went inside the room and then I said I'm going to leave the industry, मुझे नहीं करना है ये, it's just becoming a nonsense, I'm just becoming a laughing stock before everybody कि इसको तेलुगु नहीं आती, इसको तेलुगु नहीं आती, हर कोई यही बोलता है, what is this. So I told my mom and dad that day that I'm going to leave this industry and I'm never going to come back, and but then I didn't go for the shot for like half an hour and I was crying badly. देन पता नहीं क्या हो गया, आई थिंक वो एक इनर वाला एक स्पार्क आता है कभी कभी, nobody inspires you, nobody motivates you, but you yourself help yourself. तो पता नहीं कुछ अंदर से मुझे खटका कि why should this guy talk like this and why should I even become weaker, get into the room and sob like hell, and enough is enough. ठीक है, अगर लोग हंसते भी हैं, अगर रॉन्ग भी बोलती हूँ तो I'll just go and try it out again. और दिस टाइम मुझे तो आना ही है. तो आई डोंट नो, कुछ तो बदलाव आया, सम काइंड ऑफ एक समथिंग, आई कांट टेल यू व्हाट इट इज. इट वाज जस्ट लाइक आई वांटेड टू गो बैक अगेन एंड फाइट. तो देन आई वेंट बैक एंड आई सेड सर आई एम रेडी. तो सब लोगों ने मतलब ये क्या हो गया भाई, दिस गर्ल इज सो अनप्रेडिक्टेबल, एक बार रोते हुए अंदर चली जाती है एंड देन शी कम्स आउट एंड शी इज रेडी. एंड देन ऐसे तड़ाका वाला टेक दिया मैंने, मतलब एवरीबडी जस्ट क्लैप फॉर मी दैट डे. तो उसके बाद से देयर वाज नो लुकिंग बैक. आई यूज्ड टू टेक माय स्क्रिप्ट वन डे बिफोर, बी इट अ सीरियल, बी इट अ रियलिटी शो, बी इट एंकरिंग और होस्टिंग और व्हाटएवर. I used to take my my script 1 day or 2 days earlier. I used to read it out, I used to make my notes, and when the shoot day was like an exam day for me कि मुझे बस बात करना है और धमाका दिखाना है. And that's how I think you were asking me how I learned Telugu. ये तेलुगु के पीछे वो डायरेक्शन डिपार्टमेंट वाला वो बंदा है, अगर वो उस दिन नहीं चिल्लाता, अगर वो उस दिन इंसल्ट नहीं करता तो आज शायद मैं यहाँ पे बैठी नहीं रहती.
So sometimes in a way it says ना कभी कभी कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती जो हमें कुछ एक अच्छा सिखा के जाती है. Something happens for I think everything happens for our own good. So I think this was your inspiration.
Yeah, and then I keep telling people कि अगर कोई criticize करते हैं तो let them do it because you will exactly know कि अगर वो criticize कर रहे हैं, you will come to know whether they deserve your attention or not. अगर वो क्रिटिसिज्म आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, मतलब आपको कुछ चेंज करना है, यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव योरसेल्फ. अगर डेलिबरेटली कोई क्रिटिसिज्म कर रहा है तो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि डेलिबरेटली ही इज ट्राइंग टू डिस्टर्ब यू, वो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. So criticism is also a very integral part of anyone's success. This is what I really believe.
Are you a self-critic person? Do
Yes,
you
I criticize.
self-criticize?
Yes, yes. I'm always like
You
नहीं
do.
ये एंगल अच्छा नहीं है नहीं ये ये ड्रेस में अच्छी नहीं लग रही या फिर नहीं I should have spoken more better. So I'm like
Hmm.
constantly self-analyzing myself. Constantly कभी कभी लोग बोलते हैं कि why you're degrading yourself. I'm like not degrading. It's like मैं better कर सकती हूँ तो why not.
Why
तो
not?
yeah self criticism थोड़ा ज्यादा ही है.
That's very nice. So let me show you something on a note of this, where you have really shown up.
Wow. Yeah, this was the film. I really got a lot of appreciation for my character. Wow. Nice.
Okay, so how did you like that? You have done
Yeah.
so much, I mean, on the stage show. So, how did your journey start from dancing towards television, towards serials, towards movies, and then finally to Big Boss season 3 as a wild card entry?
Yeah. See, I was always a dancer on stage, and I told you how I started my anchoring. Okay.
Right.
So when I was hosting shows and stuff like that, then people were like, "Achhi lagti ho aap," you look very tender. And right from day one, I'm like that goli goli baby. I'm like golu polu rolu type की रहती हूँ. तो दे आर लाइक बहुत अच्छे लगोगे अगर आप सीरियल्स करना चाहे तो. बट आई वाज नॉट टू कीन बिकॉज माय पेरेंट्स वेर लाइक वेरी पर्टिकुलर कि नहीं एकेडमिक्स करना है अदरवाइज नो डेली सीरियल के लिए 20-25 दिन शूटिंग करना पड़ता था. So then that's why for a long time I did not act. I wanted to act in movies in fact. लेकिन ये
Hmm.
movies का ऐसा मतलब वही बोलते हैं ना it's all destiny.
Hmm.
Your luck also plays a major role in your success in your life. तो जब भी कोई अच्छा ऑफर
Um,
आता था.
I just want to read out Mr. Venki's this thing. Yeah, you can read it. It's in the language.
So Venki, let me see.
Yeah.
कोटा प्रशांत, थैंक यू प्रशांत, बिगेस्ट फैन ऑफ शिल्पा. बाप रे मेरे भी फैन हैं.
Come on.
प्लीज. Okay, Shilpa Garu, your dance baby dance show. Awesome. Thank you, Mr. Yeddu Ravi Kumar. Please come
Hmm.
to Telugu dance shows.
Oh, they love
Be-
you. Yes. They want you to dance. They love your
Haha,
dancing skills.
come to the dance shows anchoring. Yeah, sure, I will.
Okay.
Uh,
So yeah, you were telling me about your journey. How did Big Boss 3 season 3 finally happen to you? Did it come in a platter to you easily, or were you approached by whom? And how did you accept the offer? And how was the experience since it was hosted by our great actor in Tollywood, Nagarjuna ji? So how was the experience with him?
Yeah, overall, Big Boss was definitely a very memorable experience, I should say. And when you say कि ये offer कैसा आया, people in Telugu still. I've been on a break for quite some time, like in between about 5 years. I've been on a break because of my kids, and I wanted to be with them, and I wanted to see them growing. And it was a very conscious decision not to get into serials and any kind of stuff which is time consuming because I personally wanted to be with the kids. तो ये break time में क्या हो गया? I lost many offers and I didn't get back to as much as work I was used to earlier. So
Hmm.
channels on and off kept approaching me for serials and other shows, but I was not keen on doing it. So when I was keen on doing it, I'm a little choosy from day one कि मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे ऐसे टाइप का रोल नहीं करना है, ऐसे this kind of stuff. So then, suddenly I get a call one day from the Big Boss team. Obviously, because we know the channel people, I have worked with Star TV, Star Ma, and even before it was Star Ma, I worked for Ma TV, I worked for Z TV, I worked for Gemini. Everybody around all the channels, they know me, and in their initial days when they were struggling to actually stand up, and anchors like us, many actors had done some beautiful shows for them, so they can never forget us. So as a gesture, they called me and they asked me like, would you like to participate? And my daughter was down with dengue that time. And then I right away said, नहीं मुझे नहीं आना है, because at this time when she's hospitalized and this is not the time for me to go. अभी इतने दिन काम नहीं किया तो अभी करना है क्या? तो that's how it started. So then they said, okay, if you don't want to come, that's fine. अब आपको काम दे रहे हैं तो आप काम नहीं लेना चाहते, और काम नहीं देते हैं तो बोलते हैं काम नहीं दे. So they had their own, they were on their trip and all that. उसके बाद then they got back to me after few weeks. कि would you like to join again करके. So then by that time my daughter was doing good. So Kalyan, my husband's name is Kalyan. So Kalyan was like,
sir's name.
So Kalyan is like, it's okay, Shilpa. Abhi to she's fine. I'm going to take care of her. I think you should go ahead. You should go get into the house. तब तक क्या हो गया था? Almost 8 weeks हो चुके थे. And I had to go like a wildcard entry. And wildcard entry, they're always very, hostile to the wildcard entry people. Anybody for that matter, whoever is in the game. क्योंकि 8 weeks के बाद आ रही है ये लड़की, so she knows every damn thing about every participant. So, they were hostile with me from day one. बहुत अकेली पड़ चुकी थी मैं अंदर. Then Nagarjuna Garu used to come on the weekends. I was there only for like 2 weeks. So then Nagarjuna sir बोले कि Shilpa, what's happening with you? तो मैंने कहा कि sir, एक निरंजन का life हो गया है, nobody speaks to me, and very few people in the house speak to me, and they have cornered me. तो ऐसे सब मैं I used to share with him. So then he used to tell others कि नहीं ऐसे नहीं करना है शिल्पा के साथ. You need to warmly welcome her and be good to her. ऐसे करके he had told all the participants. So then I had made some really good friends, and उसके बाद बाहर आने के बाद जब मैंने देखा कि कोई भी एपिसोड में मेरा कोई prominence था ही नहीं. They had not shown me enough. For a person like Madhavi to judge me, she should be able to see me more on screen, right? Only then will you be able to give me marks as an audience. If you don't see me on screen, how will you give me a mark? How will you judge me? I mean, you don't know me. You don't know what I'm doing in the house. You don't know whether I'm talking. You don't know whether I'm dancing. You don't know what am I doing. Then how are you going to actually vote for me? That exactly happened. I don't know what went wrong inside, but when I came out, I didn't see myself in any of the episodes. That was very disappointing. I was shown best. Yes. So then मुझे लगा कि Big Boss is a show where they love controversies. Definitely they love that mass and masala. And for me, going and creating chaos out of nothing, that is not my personality. I can't do that. I mean, yeah, अगर कुछ भूल हो रहा है, अगर there is something which is not going right, I will go and probably condemn it or probably speak against it. But then I just can't go create a halla bulla about it or do something which is नहीं, मुझे नहीं आता ऐसा करना. मतलब so probably they didn't like me being sober, or I don't know. So that was one of the things which I after coming out of Big Boss house, I really felt bad about.
So did you talk to the team? Did you talk to the company of Big Boss over here in Tollywood, or did you ever felt that this is scripted?
No, this is not scripted at all. It's like it is very extempore. It is definitely spontaneous. This is not scripted for sure. But then people इतने सारे बिग बॉस के सीजन देख के they know exactly what to do, how to talk, एंड क्या क्या करने से पीपल you get the attention of people. All the participants know that very well कि नहीं, मैं अगर ऐसे बात करूंगी तो people will like me, अगर मैं इसके साथ ज्यादा बात करूंगी तो people will like me. So different participants have their different equations, but it is not scripted. They're very genuinely playing inside the house, but what audience get to see is in the hands of the channel, because what out of the
Okay.
24 hours of content, you have 24 hours of content, because hardly we sleep for about 4-5 hours. So
Okay.
it's 70
Yeah.
hours of content को 1 घंटे में दिखाना है. So obviously they will hunt for those controversial or probably very interesting, or probably I don't know what's interesting for you might not be interesting for me. So these are the, I mean, बाहर जो
So
दिखता है वो अलग.
you are trying to say no, but you're trying to say कि आप बहुत ही मतलब एकदम सोए, आपने कोई लड़ाई, आप कोई लड़ाई नहीं हुई, किसी से आपकी झगड़ा नहीं हुआ. Were you trying to say that? Were you minding your own business over there? No? Because I can see there are so many contestants, if you can see, there are also anchor over there. And of course, Mr. Rahul ji was the winner, I guess, the singer. And you were also there amongst the list. So you never felt any competitor over there? Because there were
No,
anchors.
नहीं, Big Boss House is not about अंदर में जाने के बाद, it's not about competition. It's about your performance, what you talk, what you do, and how you survive among 10 different people. It's a game of how you survive in 10 different people. It's not a competition between an anchor and an anchor or a singer and a singer. नहीं, ये competition नहीं कहा जा सकता. It's like you are going and staying in an unknown place like a prisoner with 10 different people, and you got to survive in the task what they give you. आगे बढ़ना
So
है.
what were you told before you were sent to the house, like as a wild card entry? What were you told? Ki, what are you going to do there? You were just why not as a contestant from the beginning were you selected? Have you ever asked this question?
Yes, they said we should have put you earlier. ये जो धमाका एंट्री दिया आपने और जिस तरह से आपने टास्क वगैरह खेले, and the way you handled yourself, it was so graceful and so dignified. Probably we should have put you from the first episode, or maybe the 4th or 5th episode when they approached and I did not want to go. तो वही होता है ना, लक में वही वैसे लिखा है. Maybe if I would have gone earlier, maybe I would have made good friends, or maybe the situations would be a little more easier for me, and maybe the contestants would have loved me, my attitude, and probably things would have shaped up differently. But since I went after 8 weeks, I think it was too late. People were hostile, and yeah, when I went inside, the team was very clear कि देखो आप wild card entry पे जा रहे हो, no matter how good you are, no matter how better you play the task, you will be bullied there, and you will be cornered, and they will turn out to be hostile. So you have to handle all these things. तो मेरा प्रॉब्लम वो नहीं था. Till date, I have no problem and no issues if they didn't talk to me, or probably they ignored me, they cornered me. I have no problem about it. वो उनका गेम खेल रहे थे. हाँ, मुझे भी गुस्सा आया है एक पॉइंट में, but then after थोड़ा सा मतलब अगर सोचोगे तो everybody is playing their own game. तो आपका गेम खेल रहे हो, तो आपके गेम में अगर मैं कांटा हूं तो you will definitely try to eradicate me from there, right? तो वो आपकी गलती नहीं है. That's a part of the game. That's how the game is played. But my only thing was I was not shown enough on screen. My screen time was not enough. So that was the only one thing I had. Otherwise, I was treated well, and it was a nice experience.
But what was your answer that you got? Why were you not shown on the screen so much? Why?
Then no response. मैं बाहर आने के बाद मेरे सारे एपिसोड्स देखने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम तो मुझे लगा, right? Like I can't see all the episodes in a day, so I was sitting and I took about 1 week of time to check out all my episodes, and the media was मतलब almost like mobbing हो रहा था मीडिया का कि I want an interview, मुझे इंटरव्यू देना, पहले हम लाइव करेंगे and blah 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 and stuff like that. So पहले 15 days तो I was so busy with their interviews and with the media itself, I was busy. After that,
Hmm.
थोड़ा peaceful होने के बाद, then I checked on myself and I went and asked them कि क्या हो गया? I mean, what? I mean, my dance was not good enough that you couldn't show me. मेरे बातें आपको ठीक नहीं लगे या क्या ऐसे लगा? मतलब why didn't you? So everybody is like, that's not my call. He was supposed to take a call, so you can go ask him. Then he says, Nick, that's not my call. We are a team from Bombay. We don't understand Telugu. जो एडिटर बताया था हम वही हम तो वही देखते हैं. तो अल्टीमेटली इट्स अगेन गोइंग राउंड एंड राउंड एंड राउंड. तो मैंने कहा छोड़ो जी, अब हो गया है. इट्स अ क्लोज चैप्टर फॉर मी नाउ.
Hmm. But
तो आई
anyways, fame and name was always there with you, and it will be there with you. And I know you are such a hardworking person that you will find your own way, whether it is Big Boss or it is without Big Boss. If it's given to you, it's good, and take it as your destiny, as you rightly said, it comes to your way, or else move on. There are many things.
या
Life is beautiful.
definitely, because see, Big Boss, I was never made out of Big Boss. I'm not a person who is introduced from Big Boss. People know
Absolutely.
me for the last 15, 20 years. They know me. This is my 20th year in the industry, and people know me for the last 20 years. They have seen me again now in Big Boss, so it's kind of a revival back again for me. But people know me from ages, so मेरी identity अभी Big Boss से और थोड़ी मतलब this generation who didn't see me much on TV, उनके लिए I was introduced. But for
I would
people, many people,
I would like
yeah.
to just tell Mr. Santosh Reddy is continuously saying, ma'am, both are looking average. Thank you, Mr.
No,
Santosh, for this is a very great compliment for both of us.
I,
And Mr. Santosh he again says, Madam G Jita replied the G. And okay, that's okay. That's but anyway, I take it as a compliment, Mr. Santosh, and so is ma'am is taken as a compliment. Thank you so much. We both look average. As far as we are doing our jobs well, good. So,
I,
when did you meet Sir finally, your husband?
Kalyan, we are all again from, he's from the advertising background. वो पीछे के, he's background, I'm foreground. So that's how in from common friends and that's how we met. And he is earlier he was a columnist with newspapers like Deccan Chronicle and Times of India and
Wow.
stuff like that. So he used to write a lot
Hmm.
about us, a lot about celebrities, their interviews and all that. So that's
Hmm.
how I think he got in touch with me. He wanted to write a story about me, and that's how we started talking. Or yeah, it was a love-hate relationship earlier, and then वो love बन गया.
So that's so nice that oh, love love ban gaya. I want to show you something.
These are,
Uh,
I think your video is stuck, Madhavi.
I know. My video is stuck. I just will start again.
Yep.
Okay, anyways, I have pictures to show you. We'll show this.
Yeah, I think I've seen this.
Yeah, I think that video got stuck, so sorry about it. So,
Someone was telling me,
yeah,
uh,
that picture, the first picture about this one, in this picture states that you were amongst the Miss 18 that happened in Hyderabad, right? You were as a runner-up, second runner-up. So at that time, media was
नहीं,
not so. Tell me,
they
tell me.
organized a beauty pageant called Miss AP here in the
Yes.
year 2000. And I
Yes.
just got into college at that time, and then I participated in that. And I was given the crown of Miss AP then. लेकिन
Okay.
तब unfortunately इतना मीडिया नहीं था, and to get onto the newspapers and all that stuff was a big deal. So that's why, not many people know that I had actually been crowned Miss AP at that time. And after
Yes.
that, followed by, there was a magazine when मेरे बचपन में एक magazine आया करता था, that was like competition success review.
Okay.
तो या CSR करके एक मैगजीन आता था, एंड इन दैट मैगजीन दे हैड एडवर्टाइज फॉर अ ब्यूटी पेजेंट,
Mm-hmm.
एंड माय मॉम वाज लाइक चलो पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, एक बार ऑडिशन के लिए अपना पिक्स तो भिजा दो. तो देन एज यूजुअल मैंने पिक्स भिजा दिया, एंड देन आई गॉट अ कॉल दैट आई नीड टू बी इन दिल्ली ऑन सो एंड सो डेट, एंड
Mm-hmm.
मैं और मम्मी निकल पड़े दिल्ली को. And
Mm-hmm.
there, after going there, I was like, oh my God, all the models are like what? More than like 5'6", 5'7", and all that. And they're slim, they're cool, they're sexy. और मैं एक छोटी नाटी, एक गुड़िया सी वहां पे. So I was like,
Right.
चलो, here we have no place. I don't know why they selected me. चलो, let's go. तो फिर then we thought ठीक है, when we are already here, let's give our best. तो मैंने बात करना शुरू किया, डांस करना शुरू किया. तो I became the favorite of all the. It was a 3 days beauty pageant का जो process था. It was for 3 days,
3 days.
and after seeing all my talking skills and the way I dance and the way I answer the questions and all that, and my confidence and all, तो एक एक करके everybody was liking me, and then I came on to the finals, and then finals में we had Saif Ali Khan and Manoj Bajpayee, Pinaz Masani, Mamta Kulkarni, and Manpreet
Yes.
Brar in the judge panel. And
Yes.
then the
Yes.
question, the Q&A round started, the final round. I was selected in the first, the last five, the final
Mm.
five. तो मैंने कहा चलो फाइनल 5 तो आ गए हैं, यही बहुत बड़ी बात है मेरे लिए. तो देन सैफ अली खान ने मुझे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा, एंड देन मेरे आंसर का इम्पैक्ट इतना था कि आई थिंक इट वाज इन ताज, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द नेम, ताज कुछ तो था, इट वाज इन दिल्ली. तो द होल हॉल वाज लाइक जस्ट क्लैपिंग एंड cheering फॉर मी.
What was the question?
The question was, if you had to choose an animal in your life, what animal would you choose? And that answer has to be convincing. So then I said, see, obviously I would choose a dog, because people are not faithful, but the dog will always be faithful to me and loyal to me like nobody.
Right.
And I would definitely like to have a dog as my companion. तो मतलब I myself didn't expect such kind of response from the audience, and the whole audience, the whole hall was just cheering me up and all that. I think it was a very good response. So South India से I was selected, and then finally my name was announced as the second runner up. और मैं हैदराबाद आई क्राउन वगैरह लेके, और ये टाइम पे अगर मैं आती क्राउन वगैरह लेके तो आई वुड बी द ट्रेंडिंग स्टार. लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली तब ना यूट्यूब था, ना फेसबुक था, ना इंस्टा था.
Yes.
तो नॉट मेनी पीपल नो अबाउट इट, एंड थोड़े पिक्स मैंने आपको इसीलिए पोस्ट किए थे.
Just a minute. Give me just
देख लेंगे. श्रीजा हिमजा, हाय अक्का, हाय
con.
श्रिया.
Okay. Okay.
आई थिंक यू वर बिजी
Give
इन
me again a
द
minute.
वीडियो.
For the inconvenience, I'm back again. Sorry. I was just trying to, get those pictures. Yeah, I have found those pictures, but they are in a topsy-turvy kind of a thing. Yeah, but
तो सब
uh,
लोग इस ऐसे देख लो एक बार. या
I'm
दैट्स
sorry, could not, make it correct. I don't know why that video got stuck because that's a very bad thing with this video got. I think it's working. No?
No, it's not.
Pinaz
I can
Lasani
say
ji is visible in this video, and here we have Manoj Bhai ji, giving you, crowning you, in fact.
yes,
And
yes.
um, uh, he's putting a sachet around you for the runner-up. And who else is there in this?
That is
Is this?
Manoj Masani, a very famous singer. तभी गजल वगैरह गाया करती थी. नहीं, I think she was a bhajan star.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Bhajan.
She was a very, very famous. Yeah, I know. So I think I got the pictures, but I couldn't make them, straight. Sorry about that. I don't know why this
No.
video is not working. It has to, but sorry for this.
Uh, somebody,
Hmm.
Naveen says, Shilpa Garu, Miru super talented. Thank you, Naveen. And Shiva Charan. I, Shilpa, just remembered, came to say hi to you. Hi, hi, Charan. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us and bearing with all my talking shocking.
So let us start with some of rapid fire kind of a round with you. Are you ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Yes. Ready,
Okay.
ready, ready.
Okay. So your favorite pastime in lockdown?
Favorite pastime? Cooking, baking. I've learned
Baking.
baking now.
Baking. Okay. And your favorite actor in Tollywood?
In Tollywood, Alu Arjun.
Allu Arjun ji. Okay. And in Bollywood?
In Bollywood, अरे बहुत सारे नाम हैं. किसका लूं? I
Just
think
one.
I'll go with Amir Khan.
Whoa. Okay. So Bengali or Telugu?
What?
Language.
Anchoring?
Which language do you choose the best? Bengali or Telugu?
Now I will choose Telugu if it has to be hosting because I speak better Telugu than Bengali. मेरे Bengali लोग लात मारेंगे मेरे को. But yeah, my Bengal is gone for a toss. So
Your favorite cuisine?
my favorite cuisine, continental में I think yeah, continental बोलूंगी. Anything continental.
Continental.
Yeah.
Okay. So Bollywood or Tollywood?
Obviously अभी टॉलीवुड में पैदा हुई हूँ एंड टॉलीवुड में हूँ. I definitely like the love and the all that I've got from Tollywood. Definitely Tollywood only. और यहाँ का
Tollywood.
work culture is amazing. Nobody can beat the Tollywood work culture. They are so punctual in starting their show, their time of starting, ending, the way artists are, taken care of.
Supportive. Yeah. Okay.
I think Tollywood.
So name one challenging role for you up till now.
I have not acted in many films like 10-12 films किए होंगे and obviously I did not like any of the role I did because apparently कभी भी मुझे hosting के लिए लेके जाते थे. You know,
Oh,
anything related to, but definitely one character which is always memorable is Nuve Nuve, the slide which you showed me in one of the presentations.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
and I played a very nice character. लेकिन उसमें the character was highlighted, but there was not much scope of acting and stuff. So I
Okay.
would like to do more challenging roles, not the regular films, but something very conventional and not the usual types. I want to do something woman oriented and very हटके. अभी तक वैसे character आया नहीं है. Yeah, in serials I
Okay.
have done. Yeah. रैपिड फायर तो फायर की तरह जा ही रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है. इट्स नॉट वन वर्ड में मैं बोल नहीं सकती.
That's okay. That's okay. So what is one happy moment in your life? One
Happens in my
happy moment in your life.
um yeah, when I saw Anika in my hands, मैं खुद
Your
बच्ची थी
daughter?
and then yeah, of course I myself was a kid and I had a kid beside me, so it was like wow. It was or that's my daughter.
Oh, wow. Okay. Did anybody challenge you in your life that, turned out to be, inspiration for you, for that matter?
या वो मैंने इंसिडेंट बताया ना आपको, दैट तेलुगु वाला थिंग which
Apart
happened
from
in one
that,
of our...
anybody?
Hey guys, I'm so sorry that it just got disconnected, and I'm here again. So I'll I'll definitely requested her to join my guest again. Okay, okay, good. So I'm waiting for ma'am to join again. I'm really very sorry about the disconnection. Um, Satvika, thank you so much for joining back. Anil Raj, hello. I hope you're all enjoying. I just got disconnected. I'm so sorry. Thank you, Satvika. Thank you so much. How are you doing? Where are you nowadays? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your wishes, dear. Thank you so much. And wish you the same. Okay. Hello. Thanks for joining. Bakarbari Fanverse. Yes, she joined again. So yeah.
Waiting for connection. Sorry, it just got disconnected. I was just telling you about the challenging role that you had faced initially when you started your career. Maybe that kind of a failure which you have, really, tasted the different taste.
ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. I haven't done some character which I not yet, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है suddenly.
Okay, so what comes in your mind when I say casting couch?
Casting couch है, but I haven't faced it because seriously I was never so desperate to get into films जहाँ पे people would know that I'm so desperate कि मुझे अभी films में act करना ही है, या फिर I really want to make it big. कभी मैंने ऐसा feel दिया ही नहीं. तो my attitude was very different कि आपको अगर लेना है तो ले लो. This is what I can do, this is what I can wear, this is what I can talk. इससे ज्यादा तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगी. I was
Okay.
very तो कास्टिंग काउच नहीं, आई हैवंट फेस्ड, सो आई रियली कांट से अबाउट इट. या सुना
Right.
है, देखा है कि इट एग्जिस्ट, होता होगा, बट आई वाज लकी इनफ बिकॉज एज आई सेड आई हैड माय ओन रीजंस. सो अगर आप डेस्परेट हो तो पीपल विल कम एंड टेल यू कि या दिस गर्ल इज वेरी डेस्परेट टू गेट इनटू फिल्म्स, तो चलो कुछ भी बक दो तो ठीक हो जाएगा. बट आई वाज नेवर लाइक दैट.
Oh,
Probably
okay.
that. No.
Yeah, that's just nice. So when I say nepotism, what comes to your mind? You don't
Yeah,
you don't have a godfather. You don't have a godfather. So what
I
comes
don't
into your
have a
mind?
and definitely I am a non-Telugu here. I don't know the language. मैं अंगूठा छाप हूँ because I can't read the language. I can't write the language. So I'm pushed down constantly by many people for not belonging to camps. I am not into any groups. I don't have a mentor. I don't have a godfather.
What do you mean
But
by camps? What do you mean by camps?
कैंप्स मतलब यू नीड टू बी इन सर्टेन ग्रुप्स, लाइक ये
Mm-hmm.
डायरेक्टर का ग्रुप होगा, या फिर ये प्रोड्यूसर का ग्रुप है, या फिर ये कोई चैनल का ग्रुप है. तो आई हैव बीन ऑलवेज अ पर्सन हु बीन वर्किंग विद एवरीबडी. आई हैव गुड रिलेशंस विद एवरीवन. सो आई डोंट बिलोंग टू एनी वन कैंप, आई डोंट बिलोंग टू एनी वन ग्रुप. तो वो भी एक प्रॉब्लम है. यू नो if I am in Madhavi's group, Madhavi will definitely prefer me over others, right? तो वैसा वाला बात है. या इट एग्जिस्ट हियर ऑल्सो. देर इज अ डोमिनेशन ऑफ सर्टन काइंड ऑफ प्रोड्यूसर्स एंड डायरेक्टर्स एंड ऑल दैट. वो हर आई थिंक टॉलीवुड, बॉलीवुड, हर चीज में, हर कहीं भी होगा ये. इवन नॉट ओनली इन फिल्म्स, बट आई थिंक दिस थिंग एग्जिस्ट इन एवरी प्रोफेशन. कि देर इज अ गैंग अप होते हैं लोग, एंड दे विल एनकरेज देयर ओन पीपल
Mm-hmm.
for whatever reasons they have.
But if I'm you, as you rightly said, if Madhvi is there, then I would join Madhvi's gang. But let me tell you, if I'm there, I would always prefer talent first. Why gang? Talent हर जगह है. आप कहीं से भी किसी
नहीं
को भी उठा लो as per your convenience. That's important.
नहीं, आजकल
Why?
टैलेंट का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है माधवी. Definitely I'm more talented than the heroines that you see in the movie. Definitely you're more beautiful looking than the girls we see every day in the web series or in the films. But why only few people are there and we are not. So I
Yeah,
think
I was
talent.
coming to another question. I was coming to another question connected to this, what you just said, that you have done serials in Tollywood, you have done movies in Tollywood, you are a TV anchor over here. Why not Bollywood? Did you ever
नहीं,
try in Bollywood?
frankly, I never really got a chance to get out of Hyderabad because I was very happy with my work. I was very happy with the offers I was getting here. I was making my money here, and I was flooded with my followers and my well-wishers. I don't call my followers fans. उतनी बड़ी-बड़ी बातें मैं नहीं करती हूँ, but yeah, with all my well-wishers. I was very happy. मैं अपने वो छोटी सी दुनिया में बहुत ही happy हूँ. I'm like, I'm happy.
Okay, so after having kids, do you think the industry changes the way you look? I mean, the kind of attitude changes towards you in terms of giving you roles or in terms of gives you work.
Yeah, people are ready to see a 60-year-old, acting as a hero. But then a girl who's young but is a mother of two kids, they have a problem with her and they want her to play the mother character. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे इंस्टेंसेस हैं जहां पे पीपल हैव कॉल्ड मी एंड ऑफर्ड मी फॉर इट्स ये धमाके वाला कैरेक्टर है, ये बहुत बड़ा कैरेक्टर है, दिस ऑन फॉर लाइक एजेस, यू आर गोइंग टू मेक वेरी गुड मनी. लेकिन कैरेक्टर क्या है? माँ का कैरेक्टर है, 21 ईयर्स का हीरो के माँ का कैरेक्टर है. सो आई एम लाइक, सी आई डोंट से दैट आई डोंट वांट टू एक्ट लाइक अ मदर. I definitely have to act when I have to act, but definitely at not this point of my time where I myself don't feel that I have to go and do such kind of characters which I don't like, which don't suit me obviously. No, I am not okay with doing mother characters. I'm not okay with doing those characters where I just have to stand and nod my head. इतना बातें मतलब I speak so much on my shows, on my stage events. I just don't want to be a puppet standing like a puppet there. तो ये प्रॉब्लम है in people, in society we have this problem. She is a mother, maybe she is a young mother, but she is a mother. That means वो gone case है. She has to get into the mother characters. But एक hero जो 60 साल का है, even if he has wrinkles on his face, even he can't do his action stunts, but they are okay with him seeing him as a hero. तो ये बदलाव अगर सोसाइटी में नहीं आएगा तो वी वुमेन विल ऑलवेज हैव टू फेस द सेम थिंग. नो मैटर कितना भी कोई भाषण दे दे, बड़े बड़े स्पीचे बड़े बड़े स्पीच देते होंगे एवरीबडी, इक्वालिटी, जेंडर इक्वालिटी, वुमेन एंड मेन, इक्वल पे, ये पूरा कहाँ स्टार्ट होगा? ओनली व्हेन यू सी अ वुमेन एज अ वुमेन, how she looks, not by what she has done or not by her marital status. That is a problem in our society. कि वो मैरिड है तो उसको राइट अप कर दो, वो मदर है तो उसको मदर कैरेक्टर में डाल दो.
I think Big Boss Telugu season 4 says hello.
Hi, these guys have been very sweet. They make a lot of good memes and बहुत likes and comments करते हैं मेरे पेज पे. Thank you so much, Manju ma'am. Thank you so much for your comment. Great to hear from this super talented anchor, dancer, neurotic mom. I love this term, neurotic mom. Yes, I have a neuro problem. I'm erotic.
Who said that?
Honest Big Boss,
Well,
amazing girl, and we love you, baby. Manjulata Kalanidhi, let me give you a short brief about her. She is the founder of the Rice Bucket Challenge. This
okay.
rice, he has been serving all the migrant workers and the poor people, the needy ones, all over India with her Rice Bucket Challenge. Wherever, whenever people approach her, She sends the provisions required for a family. She has done an amazing job, and she is one of my guide in life. So thank you, Manju ma'am, for always being
And
there for
and
me.
and my namaste to Manju ma'am. Thank you for being on my show. Thank you so much.
And she is a journalist now. She is an editor with Indian Express.
Wow. I'm honored, ma'am. You're here. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. So, okay, so let's come to black, pink, blue, or white.
Definitely black.
Why?
Uh, I don't
I'm
know.
wearing
Maybe I
black.
look. Yeah, whenever I wear black, and I feel that I'm the coolest woman in the world. So black is definitely
Whoa. And which is your favorite movie in Tollywood?
in Tollywood. My favorite movie, Abhi to Bahubali. Earlier it was Vikramarkudu. Rajamouli sir, you must have heard about director Rajamouli, na?
Yes, absolutely. Who doesn't know him? Who doesn't
I
know
know.
him?
I know. Who doesn't know him? So,
Yeah.
Bahubali is definitely my very close to my heart because I was waiting for the second series. You know, you wait for something eagerly only when you love it. So, I
Absolutely.
think I like Bahubali, and yeah.
Okay, and in Bollywood?
Bollywood, I think my all-time favorite will be Chak De India.
You like women-oriented roles, so no wonder you must be liking that. And it is an amazing movie. Whether it is
I
Dangal, whether it is Chak De India. Okay, so Christina Roshan says, Shilpa, you look so cute.
Thank God people find me still cute. Thank you, Christina. Somebody की average हो, average है पर
Yeah.
confident है. That is very important.
Yes, that's true. That's true. And describe yourself in 3 words.
In 3 words, emotional,
Hmm.
um, content,
Hmm.
and बहुत सारे. I know I can't describe myself. I'm such a lovely person. How can I describe myself in 3 words? थोड़ा सा
One
over
more word.
actually.
No, one more word. No, acting is not required here. This is about yourself. So one more word. What you are.
Emotional, content, and a bit of childish.
Childish. That's okay. Okay. And dark chocolate or milk chocolate?
डेफिनेटली मिल्क चॉकलेट यार. डार्क चॉकलेट में वो बात है नहीं.
Okay.
मिल्क चॉकलेट
So
इज
wait.
स्वीट, so I'm sweet.
Oh my goodness, you're definitely sweet. A sari or a western outfit any day?
Sorry.
A sari or a western outfit any day?
um, this is tough actually. I love wearing saris, लेकिन हर दिन तो नहीं होगा. तो एवरी
Hmm.
डे वेस्टर्न वेयर, कभी कभी साड़ी.
Kabhi kabhi sari. Okay. So which is a piece of best advice somebody has given you up till now?
द बेस्ट एडवाइस इस सबके पास
Give.
सब कुछ होता नहीं है. I mean, you can't keep cribbing about what you don't have. वो life is always like that. कुछ ना कुछ कम होगा.
No, no, no,
So
no. I'm talking about somebody who has really come up to you and advised you, and you really liked it, and you have really implemented, or you didn't like it, and you just ignored it. It can be
um,
best for him, or it can be best for you. Any
नहीं
advice you
ऐसे
have
कुछ.
received up till now?
Yeah, advice is just move on in your life. That's that. I have got this advice from a couple of people who are very close to me, and they have like, ठीक है, life is not always what you think it is going to be. तो कभी इधर
Hmm.
जाता है, कभी उधर जाता है, but you have to hold on. And yes, I definitely follow that till date. Nothing is perfect in life. चल रहा है, चलने दो, but we have to keep moving. Bus, I think this is one of the free gyan that I have ever received. The best free gyan.
Okay. So if you were to reborn, what character or what kind of personality would you select?
I wanted to, I think I definitely will sound very silly. लेकिन मुझे नेक्स्ट जन्म में आइदर करीना बनना है या फिर प्रियंका बनना है. अगर करीना बनूंगी तो
Oh,
सैफ अली खान का हस्बैंड मिलेगा, प्रॉपर्टी मिलेगा, एसेट्स मिलेंगे. और अगर निक जोनस मिलेगा तो मैं अमेरिका में रह जाऊंगी. तो आई थिंक एनी ऑफ these two persons I would like to, you know.
they are okay. So one future director which you would like to work in Bollywood if offered.
In Bollywood.
Yes.
In Bollywood, Piku's director, I forgot his name, yaar. Come on.
Which one?
Piku film ka director. Piku film ka director. He's a Bengali.
Anurag.
सुजीत सरकार. सुजीत सरकार. सुजीत सरकार ने मेरे को कुछ रोल ऑफर किया तो मेरे तो बस मतलब I will faint that day.
If you were Superwoman, what would you have done the first thing when you open your eyes?
If I was a superwoman, and the first thing what I would have done when I open my eyes and wake up every morning is fly into everybody's house and see all these men who are doing all these kind of abusing or rapes or murders or जो भी atrocities करते हैं ना, I would have killed all the men on the spot. If I was a superwoman, any day I will do that.
Wow. I mean, this is okay. Define humanity.
Humanity, humanity is sharing. It's all about giving. Sharing and giving is what makes you. It's not about having shitloads of money and doing nothing. If you have
Okay.
it, you should also share it. And tabhi that's the joy of life. That's humanity.
What is the biggest fear in life up till now?
Biggest fears in life is losing our loved ones. Yeah, that is. I become very emotional when I talk that. Speak on those kind of topics. Yeah. So fear is of losing people whom I love.
And who is your inspirational character or inspiring kind of a woman or a man in your life whom you have looked upon since you were a childhood and up till now?
That way, I have, I can't tell you only about one person whom I look up to. Every level of my life, I have got, people who inspire
Okay,
me, people who.
let's just rate them. Number one, number two, like that.
I think number five. First, I'll tell you about five people.
Mm-hmm.
Number five will be my father.
Right.
Number four will be my dance guruji, and number three will be definitely my mom, and number two will be my brother, and number one definitely will be my husband. These
Wow.
these five people are such a guiding force in my life. I mean, they motivate me, they inspire me every day to do something, no matter. I mean, bolte hai na ki you have my back and I have your back types. So these guys are always, carrying me like a baby. So I think ये घर की बात हो गई. These people are from my family. So outsiders तो it'll go on. I think एक और घंटे का मेरे को live करना पड़ेगा आपके साथ उसके बारे में बोलने के लिए.
No, I think we'll just have two more questions and then we will end it up here because yes, we will do, of course, second one. So, the biggest lesson that life has taught you up till now.
The biggest lesson I have learned is during my lockdown. Life is very unpredictable. You never know what's going to happen the next day. So be prepared for everything. I have
Okay.
never worked so much in my life as I'm working now. I was always a pampered daughter. I was a pampered wife. I was a, pampered kid. I've never done so much of work in my life. I've never dragged my brain so much on different issues.
I'm just stopping you. What is this? Mr. Anil Chaudhary says, Danaki, 1500 followers, Lero, Adao, celebrity, Anta. What does that mean?
हाँ तो उसका मतलब ही इज ट्राइंग टू इंसल्ट मी कि आप कैसे सेलिब्रिटी से बात कर रहे हो जिसका फैन फॉलोइंग भी नहीं है. तो इस तरह के नेगेटिव पीपल जो हैं, दे स्प्रेड सो मच ऑफ नेगेटिविटी इन सोशल मीडिया कि दे आर देयर हियर इन मीडिया टू ओनली पुल योर कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन. तो आई लाफ इट आउट. तो ठीक है ना, सेलिब्रिटी इसके लिए नहीं है.
I have a message for Anil Chaudhary ji. Anil Chaudhary ji, thanks for
We're
No,
giving a
no,
lot of importance.
no. Thank you so much for realizing that I have 1500 followers, but at least I have the genuine followers. And if you could be the one, I will have 1501. So that's how I'll keep increasing. And a baby is never born at the only 30 years old. A baby is always born, a very 1 month or 1 day baby.
Your video is pausing.
Okay. Is it now
Hello.
okay? Yeah, is it now fine?
Yeah,
Can you
yeah.
hear me? Okay, so I was just saying the baby is not born 30 years old. It has to grow and cross all the stages right from the day of the birth. So I think Anil Chaudhary ji, you can be my subscriber, and one subscriber adding or followers adding will make a lot of difference.
माधवी
so
जी,
much.
आपने जो इंग्लिश में बोला probably उसको समझ में भी नहीं आया होगा.
आप बोल दीजिए,
तो
please,
I would like to say because I don't think this guy also can understand English, but definitely एक और बात बोलना है. तो he is such a loser कि वो हमारा conversation सुन रहा है and he has all the time to type a message for us. So that itself makes us a celebrity, right?
Okay, so I think he will understand. Anil Chaudhary ji, thank you so much. This is the thank you. Okay, so 3 important makeup items that you always carry in your bag.
Makeup items, my compact, my gloss, and what else? Yeah, I think my gloss and my eyeliner.
Very nice. That was a quick, long session of rapid fire round, but I came to know so much things about you, and I hope the people who are watching have loved listening to you. And it's an immense pleasure that you accepted my invitation and you're here today talking to me, though I'm not a celebrity and you are a celebrity. And I think, in fact, in life, everybody is a celebrity in themselves, whether it is at their home or whether they go out. It's all about a feeling. You don't have to be on the television. You don't have to be on the media to be a celebrity. For me, my mom is a celebrity. For me, my dad is a celebrity.
Yes, of course. Yes.
For me, every day when I get up and look into the mirror, I feel like a celebrity. So as far as you are positive, you are a celebrity in all the fields, in all the segments of life, and that's what is needed. The Corona-19 COVID has really taught us a lesson that you are a celebrity at home. You have no helpers. You are working. You are a woman. You are taking care of your kids. You are taking care of your mom and dad. And today, even celebrities are working at home.
Yes.
What is celebrity? How do you define the celebrity? By followers? No, by followers? Or by likes? No. I don't agree to this. I don't agree to this. But anyways, that's different altogether, a segment. I don't want to dip into it. So, but thank you so much. And give me one motivational and inspiration message that you really want to give to all your fans or followers or to the industry where you have really, shared so much time of your life?
Yeah, jate jate, I would just like to say this, with social media being so active, negativity has also become very active. People are all ready to, pounce on people and try and hit on their self-confidence and try and spread more negativity. So I think we need to ignore all of this because वो कौन होते हैं आपको सर्टिफिकेट देने वाले, वेदर यू आर ब्यूटीफुल, वेदर यू आर गुड, बैड, अगली, यू आर अ सेलिब्रिटी, यू आर अ मॉम, यू आर अ लूजर, यू आर अ फेलियर, और यू आर अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन. I mean, they are no one to give you a certificate, they no one to judge you. So as long as you are happy, as long as you are doing what you are happy doing, I think we have won in our life. We are definitely successful. मन से, श्रद्धा से, अपना काम ठीक से करना is a success for me, and I will definitely do that. I'm not having millions of followers. I'm not at the peak of my career, and I don't have an Audi at my place. I don't have 10 villas, but whatever I have, I think I'm lucky, I'm happier, I'm healthier, and during this COVID-19 times, I have got much more closer to my family,
I
and I
have, I'm just interrupting you, sorry. You said you don't have an Audi. You said you don't have 10 villas. Even if you had today, are you able to drive Audi on the roads?
no, that's all waste. I was actually trying to
Will you live in those 10 villas,
कोई
irrespective of
conclusion.
having?
So COVID-19 has brought everybody on the same level, everybody on the same platform. So no one is rich, no one is poor, no one is a success, nobody is a failure. We are all on the same level now, and I think it's time to reboot and restart our life. అండ్ చాలా మంది నా లైవ్ చూస్తూ ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళతో నేను మాట్లాడలేకపోయాను, ఏమి అనుకోకండి. నేను డెఫినెట్లీ నా ఇన్స్టా నుంచి మళ్ళీ లైవ్ వస్తాను, మీ అందరితో మాట్లాడతాను. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ మాధవి, థ్యాంక్స్ అ లాట్ ఫర్ బేరింగ్ విత్ మై
Thank you
టాకింగ్.
so much. No, it was such an inspirational talk. And in fact, I also went deep into it. So, like-mindedness always, have a frequency to share, you know. So I really appreciate your thoughts and the way you think, the way you talk. I really appreciate. And I wish you all the very best for your future. And I know you're going to rock wherever you are. And that's how my best wishes with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
It was
Madhavi, and
pleasure.
good luck to you too. You look beautiful. You talk amazing. You have an amazing a flow of taking things to a different level when you're talking. I think you should keep going. More power to
Thank
you,
you.
and all the
Thank you.
best. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Okay.
And I also want to thank followers, irrespective of whatever it is, who liked it. Good. If you didn't like it, do let me know the feedback that what can we do to improve it. And I'm ready for feedbacks and I accept feedbacks. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye. Take care.
Take care. You too.